Street Signs repertoire a so-called herb alert?
We do these because this is just an effort to actually make you pay attention, because I always want you to pay attention, but this is something where we've got an idea. I think it's a good idea. This one is pharmacy benefit managers. And when it comes to these pharmacy benefit managers and the whole industry, this is the question you need to ask. Do PBMs need to exist anymore? Now, the big three are Medco, Express Scripts, and CVS Caremark. Now, two events suggest that in the very least, their glory days are certain, and growth days are certainly over. The first is Express Scripts' $29 billion bid in July to buy Medco, one of its two big competitors. The other is Walgreens' decision to tell Express Scripts to take a hike as it ambitiously starts doing deals directly with corporations. Now, at the core of all of this, the industry isn't what it was back in the 90s when the drug PBMs were going through their 1990s boom. That's when all sorts of drugs were being created and patented. Now, generics account for 69% of all drugs sold in the U.S. We're talking a commodity that you can buy away from your PBM and insurance plan, possibly for less, at Costco, at Walmart, at Target, and now, who knows, maybe at Walgreens. Are they cheap on a forward PE basis, even though the stocks have been rising? Yes. Can they get cheaper? Some people think these things may look like value stocks, but they actually are value traps. And I can tell you a lot of disagreement over this one.
Two things. Number one, you're fired up.
This is
you're fired up.
This is a great story, and it's just starting. And
number two, what's interesting is how this space has changed. You had, Rite Aid got one, then they got rid of it. Then Walgreens has got,
they got rid of theirs.
And then CVS has it's like they can't decide which is the right way.
Next week there's a subcommittee hearing.
They're going in different directions constantly.
Next week there's a congressional panel look into this merger on antitrust issues. I'm telling you, what does a PBM really do? Does anyone really know how drugs are priced? I think there's a lot of confusion, and Walgreens is putting a stake in the sand. While they may get a deal in the end with this Express Scripts, Express isn't going to make that much more off of them. This is a company where an industry where margins are going to come under fire. You've got a lot of cash flow, but over time, you're going to start seeing it go down.
As the debate over Medicaid and Medicare and everything else heats up, you're going to see, you're right, these companies, the farmers are just going to get hammered.
Do you really need a toll keeper here when you're talking about cutting medical costs? They're going to tell you they cut medical costs.
That's what walk into Pfizer's headquarters and get some Lipitor?
Let's just go right from the drug. Well, you're not going to. No, actually, it's going to be a generic in about another month or two. So that's not going to.
The point is, one reference. You just thousands of prescription drugs. You get the point.